Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to tell you how to download the Safe Exam browser and its configuration file. So, first, just open your PIAIC portal on Google Chrome. Type your email ID and password, then sign your portal. Then, select your course and click on Open Portal. Now click on Exam. Here you can see the two files. One is Download Safe Exam Browser, and second one is Download Configure File. Here is list of quiz 1. Include Introduction to PIAIC. And quiz 2 include Python. Now, click on Download Safe Exam Browser. After downloading, just install it. When installation is complete, then download the configuration file. After configuration file downloaded, just open it and be ready for exam.